Ball lightning. Imagine standing in the middle of a thunderstorm. A flash lights up the sky, thunder rumbles, and then a glowing sphere of light floats right past you. This is ball lightning, one of the strangest natural phenomena ever recorded. Witnesses describe it as a glowing ball the size of a grapefruit, hovering or moving unpredictably through the air. It can last for several seconds before vanishing, sometimes with a loud bang. For centuries, scientists dismissed it as an optical illusion. But modern research, including real science experiments, has captured it on high-speed cameras. We still don't fully understand how it forms. Some theories suggest it's caused by vaporized silicon from soil struck by lightning. Others think it's a plasma bubble created by intense electromagnetic fields. Whatever the cause, it remains one of the most unbelievable science facts in meteorology. Sailing stones of Death Valley. In the remote racetrack playa of Death Valley, USA, massive rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds, mysteriously move across the desert floor. They leave long trails in the dry mud, but no one sees them moving. For decades, this was considered one of the weird natural phenomena with no explanation. Were they pushed by strong winds, dragged by pranksters, moved by magnetic forces? It turns out the answer is a strange combination of nature's power and patience. In winter, a thin layer of ice forms on the ground. When it cracks under the sun, light winds push the rocks ever so slowly, just a few inches per second, across the wet surface. It's such a subtle process that you'd never notice it happening in real time. A perfect example of how real science phenomena can seem impossible until you understand the mechanism. The boiling river of the Amazon. Deep in the Peruvian rainforest, far from volcanic activity, there is a river so hot it can kill instantly. Locals call it Shanai Timpishka, boiled by the sun. Its waters can reach 93 degrees Celsius, nearly boiling point. If you fell in, you'd suffer third-degree burns within seconds. Scientists initially thought it was a myth, because rivers this hot are usually only found near volcanoes. But this river is heated by geothermal energy deep underground, where hot water and steam escape through cracks in the Earth's crust. It's a deadly reminder of the weird nature hiding in plain sight. Today, researchers study it not just as a geological wonder, but also for unique microorganisms that can survive in these extreme conditions, expanding our knowledge of scientific phenomena facts. Blue lava. When you think of lava, you imagine glowing red or orange molten rock. But at the Kawah Ijen volcano in Indonesia, it's a different story. Here, during certain eruptions, bright neon blue lava flows down the slopes at night. In reality, the lava itself isn't blue. It's burning sulfur gas. The volcano emits huge amounts of sulfur, which ignite when they meet the oxygen-rich air at temperatures over 360 degrees Celsius. This creates electric blue flames that can be several meters tall. The sight is mesmerizing and dangerously toxic. It's one of those strange natural phenomena that's so beautiful, you forget how deadly it really is. Catatumbo lightning. Off the shores of Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela, there is a storm that never ends. Catatumbo lightning can strike up to 280 times per hour for 10 hours straight, and it happens more than 200 nights a year. That's over 1.2 million lightning strikes annually, in one place. Scientists believe the unique geography, with warm winds from the Caribbean colliding with cold air from the Andes Mountains, creates perfect lightning conditions. The storms are so regular that sailors once used them as a natural lighthouse. It's a spectacular example of real science phenomena and a reminder of how extreme Earth's weather can be. Moonbows. You've probably seen rainbows. But have you ever seen one at night? A moonbow is a rare rainbow formed by moonlight instead of sunlight. They usually appear when the moon is bright and the air is misty, often near waterfalls. Because moonlight is much dimmer than sunlight, moonbows often appear white to the naked eye, though cameras can capture their faint colors. They're a magical mix of physics and atmosphere, a perfect blend of beauty and weird nature. For many who see one, it feels like witnessing a real-life miracle. Which of these weird natural phenomena surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments.